With Professor Racid's time machine, we are unstoppable.
We have to stop them, Morphle. Morph into a dinosaur superhero. There! Now he can't do any more damage.
No, wait! This is not how it's supposed to happen! Great work, Mila and Morphle. Let's get them all together so I can zap them back into prehistoric times.
Quickly, pick up the Triceratops, Morphle.
I think you forgot one dinosaur.
Oh no, Morphle!
Quick, to the lab. We need to find out where he went.
There he is!
Tumbling test tubes. Hang on, Morphle. That should do it.
I'm so glad you're okay.